welcome to New Look. It is said that the prettiest thing you can wear is your smile. Your smile is not all about your shiny white teeth, it's all about your lips as well. We all wish to have soft and pink lips, but somehow it seems like you're a distant dream. Your lips are more sensitive than you think, so your lips deserve some extra care. There is a simple home remedy which is very easy to use. For this remedy, you have to follow 4 steps. For first step, you require sugar, coconut oil and milk. So getting into the process. Take an empty bowl, take a bowl and add 1 spoon of sugar, 3 spoons of raw milk and half a spoon of coconut oil. Mix thoroughly. And apply gently on your lips. Massage well. Rose water and turmeric powder. Now getting into the process, take an empty bowl, add half tablespoon of turmeric powder, half tablespoon of rose water and half tablespoon of milk as well. Now mix this thoroughly like a thin paste. And massage on your lips gently. The turmeric powder is an antibacterial agent which gives natural antibacterial agent which gives blemishes to your lips. Also, milk acts as a moisturizer, and rose water gives you pink lips naturally. Beetroot and milk. Firstly take the beetroot and squeeze it off. Firstly take out the beetroot and squeeze off all the juice from the beetroot. Here is the juice. Now take an empty bowl. Take a tablespoon of beetroot juice and a pinch of milk. Mix the 2 ingredients thoroughly and gently massage on your lips. Beetroot naturally gives you the pink lips. Rose water and milk. Now take an empty bowl, add a half spoon of rose water and half tablespoon of raw milk. As usual, mix them well and apply it on your lips. Apply this remedy daily 2 times a day. Within a short time, you will get the invisible results. 4 simple home remedies which you can try at your home, which is very natural. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up, comment below in the comment section and do share this video. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe.
Like, share, subscribe, ring the bell button.